Hello friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Again I also want to teach a integration 0 to pi by 2 sine square x ln tan x dx. So friends, this problem is, you think that it is tough, but it is not so much tough. It is very easy. How you can solve? You can solve at first I first write 0 to pi by, I write it 0 to pi by 2, and after that I use in here some techniques. Sine square x divide by cos square x. I can write this way, or I can write another way, that, and this way I can write that it can be written cos to the power 4x. I can write, and another way, another fact that I write, it is ln tan x into cos to the power 4x dx. And next friends, whatever I want to do, that 0 to pi by 2 and sine square by cos square x equal to, I can write tan, I can write tan square x into, I can write cos square x into ln tan x into cos to the power 4x dx. Next step I can write this way, equals to 0 to pi by 2 I can write this way. This is tan square x, I can write tan square x, I can write, and this portion, you see, cos to the power 4x and cos square x can be written, cos square x can be written, it can be written sec square x into ln tan x, and this is sec to the power 4x into sec square x dx. It can be written as sec square x dx. And next I can write this way, sec square x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 tan square x square x. I can write this is let tan x is equal to t. So I can write this is a sign, limit sign will be changed, and it can be written 0 to infinity, because as tan x is equal to t, so when it is pi by 2, that is, it is tan x is equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 means infinity, and tan 0 is equal to 0. So I can write this way, and after that I can write this problem, tan x means t square, this is the t square ln t, and sec square x means 1 plus t square whole to the power square into, and dx is equal to, that implies sec square x dx is equal to dt. So I can write it is in here dt, I can write. So friends, whatever you see that this way. After that I can write 0 to infinity and t square take t equals to 1 by y. So I can write this can be written 1 by y square ln and 1 plus 1 by y square whole square. Whole square, and it can be written ln y and dy, and here is minus. After that I can write and dy by y square. It can be write dy by y square. So whatever I get 0 to infinity ln y 1 plus y square whole square, and dy, and it should be written as this is the minus, and this is also I write this value is I write this value is I. So friends, whatever we can get 2 capital I equals to 0 to infinity y square. It can be written a lot of way, by L1 by y square minus 1 into 1 plus y square whole square, and next I write in here ln y, because this I added this I, and this I added this. So this is the dy, and now I just divided by 1 by x square 0 to infinity. I can write and 1 minus 1 by y square, and it can be written 1 plus 1 by y square. I just divided y to the power y square. I just divide y square. I just divided y square in both sides. Dividing y square. So friends, I get this value. After that I get dy, and next whatever I can get 0 to infinity. I get 0 to infinity, and here should be ln y, here should be right ln y, and whatever I want to do by parts. I want to do simple by parts. So now I get 1 minus 1 by y square, and when I will integrate by parts, then I get 1 by y plus 1 by y, 1 plus 1 by y, and ln y. I get this because it is this part is u, this is v, and this is u, means it is first part, it is first, and it is second, this part is second. That's why I solve this way. Now whatever I can get another way. After by parts I get this way, 0 to infinity, and I can write 1 minus 1 by y square. I can write this way, I can get this value dy and y, because the derivative of ln y is equal to 1 by y, and this value is, after integrating, I get this value 1 by y. And after that, whatever I get, after that I get limit x tends to 0, if I will I will want to work again, so integrating this, so whatever I can get I want to do by parts again, but whatever I want to do, this is the main fact, that 0 to infinity, it can be written as dy and y square plus 1, it can be written y square plus 1. So whatever I can get easily tan inverse y I can get, and after that just putting this value and infinity, and I get pi by 4. Thank you friends for watching. There is small mistake, it can be written pi by 2. So friends, whatever we see that 2 capital I is equal to pi by 2. So friends, that implies I equals to pi by 4. That implies I equals to pi by 4. Thanks for watching. I hope my work is understandable for everyone, and if there is any mistake, please tell me and tell me, then I can also learn from you. Thank you so much.